Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Razr 5G and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and now let's tap on the three dots icon. Let's choose the history, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously opened websites. If you want to remove only one of it, just tap on this X button right next to it, and as you can see it immediately disappears, so it means that it has been successfully deleted. But if you want to clear much more browsing data, for example the passwords or out-of-inform data, then tap on clear browsing data. And as you can see here, we've got some basic and advanced options. In basic, we can remove browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, after tapping on it, we can also remove saved passwords, out-of-inform data, and site settings. So let me pick the saved passwords and out-of-inform data. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. And now, if you're ready, click on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history has been cleared successfully. So that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your Motorola Razr 5G. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.